Welcome back, guys. So it's been a while since I've been off the property, at least this far off the property. I am following a neighbor of mine into the big city. It's about a 2-hour and 10-minute drive to get to a big city. We're headed in to get all the supplies it's going to take, or all the wood it's going to take to build all the cabinets in my kitchen. This guy that I'm following is a neighbor of mine, and he's offered to teach me how to make really nice quality cabinets. I plan on milling out blue pine for the drawer faces and the cabinet doors, so we won't have to pay for that. Hang out for a little bit, we'll get this wood loaded up, get it back to his place and stacked up.
Slide it right in there, set the tailgate, go. Perfect shot.
Go.
Okay, so we're going to end up going down front. So just follow me.
I'll follow you. Well, we're headed back. The truck's riding like a Cadillac right now with all the weight in the bed. That's $1,300 in plywood and poplar. The different sheets of plywood are for the cabinets, the drawers, the shelves, all of it. The poplar that's sitting on top is for the cabinet faces, the part you actually see when you're not opening the cabinet door or the drawer. We do have cabinet hinges and drawer guides. We got those when we were down there. Those were about $320. So we'll get all this stuff back. It's gonna sit in my truck overnight. He gets back from his job, I think late tonight, and I'm gonna head over to his place tomorrow morning where we're gonna offload this into his shop. So we'll catch up with you then. Tomorrow morning, offload all this stuff and hopefully start working on the cabinets. Hey. Oh. It's a little chilly this morning.
So when this cabinet is built, we box it. It gets boxed, and then backs on it and everything. Then we do a face frame on it. Then you do fillers so that there's support for the drawer guides. And then just we sand, stain, and seal and stuff like that. So this whole one right here, I'm going to go the whole process with you on it. And then when we start doing this one, these other ones, and I'll help you, but then you'll start machining some of these and figuring out the math on some of these and stuff. So.
Right. You always do these a certain way, and I'm gonna put a piece of tape on it so that you always know which way to face it.
That's a bonus.
Because the way the router turns, one way it wants to pull away.
Yeah.
And one way it wants to pull in. Go ahead and do a little line.
Just a nail in line.
Wait, so when you glue a nail, that's where you're going to nail. Makes it a lot easier.
Okay.
Now that that's groove in there, makes it perfect.
This sits right in there.
And then you end up gluing down it. And then we have a filler that comes in here. The top is where you want everything flush.
Yeah.
If there's anything out of whack in the back, it's
Going
on
against the wall.
So. Okay, so there's just a hairline little crack here, so there you go. Right there. Yeah, yeah.
Two.
I'm gonna do this side first. Hey, don't worry about that. I'll have this bended.
Okay.
That with a lot of this one, I just have a little bit of overhang on that one. Right there.
So you want that little bit of
I want that little bit on there.
Okay.
Because it's going to go against the wall, it doesn't matter.
Then you want your bottom to be flush with the counter right here?
Tight as much as I can.
Okay. That's it for today, guys. 3 out of the 5 cabinets are made. We'll make the other 2, and then we'll stain them and finish them, spray them, and then we'll get them installed. And we'll make the cabinet doors and the drawer faces later. Those will all, of course, be out of blue pine, like I said before. But I've got to get my toolbox put back in my truck. I took my toolbox out, it's sitting over there on the ground. Had to take it out to fit all that plywood in the back of my truck. Those 8-foot sheets fit right in this 8-foot bed, no problem, but they wouldn't go underneath the toolbox. And I didn't feel like leaving my tailgate down and having those things kind of slide around on each other. Much more secure to be able to shut the tailgate and drive down the road that way. So that's what I did. It gave me a chance to clean my toolbox out. When I put it back in, I can reorganize it and make it look all pretty again, just like it did when I first put it in. Until next time, go make something.